If you find a child who's unresponsive and not breathing normally, you must act quickly. Early CPR and rapid defibrillation gives them the best possible chance of survival. Remember, a child is defined as aged between 1 and 12 years old, so we're dealing with a wide range of sizes and weights of children in this film. AED units are life-saving tools in cardiac arrest, and they're becoming more accessible in the community. When we find a child who is not responsive, we first must call 999 immediately and ask for an ambulance. If you're unsure whether the child is breathing normally, treat them as if they are not. Put your phone on speaker so the call handler can guide you. Start CPR straight away. For children, when they collapse, it's usually due to a breathing problem, so start with 5 rescue breaths before beginning compressions. Chest compressions should be at a rate of 100 to 120 per minute. Compress the chest to around 1/3 of its depth, ensuring full recoil of the chest. Continue CPR at 15 compressions, then 2 breaths until the AED is attached. Do not pause compressions while someone is fetching the AED. Use the AED as soon as it arrives. Switch the AED on and follow its voice and visual prompts. If the AED has a paediatric mode or paediatric pads, use them. They reduce the shock energy to a level suitable for smaller bodies. If paediatric pads or modes are not available, use the adult settings. Never delay defibrillation. Apply the pads correctly. Make sure the child's chest is bare and dry. For children under roughly 25 kilos or about 8 years old, place 1 pad in the center of the chest, slightly to the child's left side. Place the other pad on the back between the shoulder blades. This offset front and back pad placement ensures the shock passes through the heart. For children over roughly 25 kilos, place 1 pad in the center of the chest. Place the other pad on the back between the shoulder blades. When the AED says stand clear, make sure no one is touching the child. If a shock is advised, ensure everyone stays clear while it's delivered. As soon as the shock is given, or if no shock is advised, restart chest compression straight away. Continue CPR until professional help arrives and takes over, the child shows signs of life, or you're physically unable to continue. Remember, AEDs are extremely safe to use on children, and they'll never shock unless it's needed. Early CPR and early defibrillation dramatically improve survival. The most important thing to do is act confidently and without delay.